Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at DXCM. This is ticker DXCM. So you can see since November of last year, DXCM has pretty much just been basing. It's been going sideways. And it has a 7-month base of consolidation. You can see this clear support zone down here at around 107. I'll talk about this line here in just a minute, but I really want to show you this clear pivot to the upside right around this 125 zone. You can see how it couldn't get above. Tried. Now we're right underneath. And so I want to watch for a strong move above that 125, let's say 126 level coming on volume. I'm going to set an alert here on my chart for the next month. And because it's based for a long time, I'd feel a little more confident buying this stock on a breakout, even though it is extended above this cluster of moving averages. If I measure this here, you'll see it's about 5.5%, just under 5.5% rate above that 50-day moving average. Yeah, 5.49% off the 50-day. So it is a bit extended from what you would call a support zone. But the thing I like about DXCM is this long base of consolidation. And if we go back to 2021, let's take a trip back in time. You'll see that DXCM has a history of these kind of long, sloppy, choppy bases, but when it does break above, you can get some nice moves out of it. So if I measure from back here in, let's say, August, September of 2020, you can see this long, sloppy, choppy base going across with resistance right here. See from back here, resistance. It finally did break above, and when it did break above this long base, this base goes almost 10 months, 10 months across. Yeah, just about 10 months. You can see once it did break out, it gave you a nice move to the upside, just over 50%. So that's what I would think could happen if DXCM has the power to break out of its current base of consolidation, though this base, is only about 7 months, not 9 months. So I wouldn't be surprised if this pulled back and did chop around a little longer before breaking out, but I want to be ready for it. So I'm going to set that alert just around that 125, 126 level and look for a strong move. So no matter when it happens, my software will alert me to that. So that's one stock that I'm watching in this market, and I hope this is helpful to you. And if it is, I'd love for you to check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. You can take a 14-day trial. Just click the link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.